In today's video, we are putting the ZOUPW 480W and the EPOCH 860W bifacial solar panels head-to-head. If you want to know the difference in the prices of these solar panels, make sure to check the link in the description below. Let's start with the fact that you are looking at two completely different philosophies in portable power, where the ZOUPW focuses on a lightweight, foldable design that is a breeze for a single person to deploy, while the EPOCH comes in as a permanent, heavy-duty installation kit that demands a more committed setup. The core difference lies in their portability versus permanence. The ZOUPW's composite material makes it an incredible travel companion for RVers and campers, slashing the weight to just over 22 pounds. Yet you have to consider that its folding design and specific warnings against long-term fixed connections suggest it is best used as a temporary powerhouse, whereas the EPOCH, weighing a substantial 107 pounds with two panels, offers a rugged, glass structure perfect for mounting on a roof, boat, or cabin, but sacrifices any sense of daily mobility. In terms of sheer power, the EPOCH wins outright with a combined 860 watts, making it ideal for those with massive energy needs. But the ZOUPW shouldn't be underestimated, as its 480-watt unit punches above its weight class with a 42.5 V high voltage architecture, making it highly efficient and actually replacing up to 5 traditional 100-watt panels, a feature that saves serious roof space. When we talk about efficiency, both boast around a 25% conversion rate, but the ZOUPW edges forward with its advanced N-type 16BB cells for minimal degradation and up to 30% extra bifacial gain, while the EPOCH counters with its Class A PERC and half-cut cells for reliable long-term performance. Durability is a strong suit for both. The ZOUPW is rated IP68 with a scratch-resistant coating for extreme heat, while the EPOCH offers an IP68 junction box with 5,400 pascal snow load resistance and an impressive 25-year linear power warranty, which overshadows ZOUPW's 36-month warranty, but you'll have to consider the physical installation effort required for that longevity. Considering all these factors, if you are looking for the absolute best value and maximum flexibility for off-grid adventures, the ZOUPW is the superior choice because it gives you incredible efficiency without the back-breaking installation. But for ultimate stationary power, the EPOCH is the powerhouse. Remember, to get these at the best price, just click the link in the description below and secure the best deal available right now.